Hello and welcome to Zion Foodtrucks. Today we have another very cool project leaving us. This is a 12-foot Mexican food trailer. It is I believe, is a masterclass in the efficient use of space in a constrained environment like a food truck, a food trailer in this case. On the outside, as always, this is a seamless trailer, which means that the panels themselves are not riveted together. They are seamless in nature. Up in the front is the shore power connection. That's how you drain the water, just like all our food trucks and trailers. This is how you fill water. Of course, the trailer has the other things like brakes and emergency brakes and that kind of stuff. Up here is the propane tank. This has two 40-pound tanks, and as with all our food trucks and trailers, the propane goes under the floor of the trailer. This is a safety feature. It is required by code in some areas, like Denver. Idea is that 5-10 years from today, if it leaks outside. There's a fan on the top. Double axle trailers, like with all our food trucks and trailers, but all our food trailers, that is, 5,000 pound capacity. It has a ram door in the back. LED lights, which are of course color matched, and it's kind of packed in with the other projects that we are shipping out before summer. This is the service window, which is self-closing, of course. Let's go inside and see its many features. The floor is aluminum diamond plate, gleaming as always. That is the hand wash sink, the 3-compartment sink. That's the fire suppression system, the towel dispenser, soap dispenser, and we'll come to the electrical part later. The cooking wall is stainless steel. Other walls are FRP. Now, we do not leave the gaps between the space between the panels empty. We always make sure that we trim them with these custom trims that we make, in this case color matched. The idea is that grease, which of course gobs of which will be produced, would not go between those panels and cause a smell. You can see even here the additional care to caulk them. That's because this is right behind the fryer. Coming to the fryer, this is a 40-pound fryer. Of course, as you can see, we mount them to the floor with washers. It has an AC, lights which are LED. There's a griddle, burner, sandwich prep, another sandwich prep, 2 of those, one to make tacos, one to make burritos, and then another prep table here, and a steam table. It of course is going to make Mexican food, and it's going to do a fair bit of volume. That is the idea of this kind of construction. You can see the fire suppression bottles. This is the ABC extinguisher and the K series extinguisher. I showed you on the outside where the gas line goes. You can see only the stub sticks out. So, and the hoses that we use themselves are UL listed. Again, they last a very long time. Also, unlike steel braided hoses, which are cheaper, they do not break and leak after some time. The windows themselves are self-closing. You can see you lift, you pass your product, and they close by themselves. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful little food trailer, which uses space very efficiently, if I may say so. If you have any questions, or if you would like before I forgot, the walls themselves have 1 inch of insulation inside and 1 inch of plywood. Makes it a very comfortable space to work in. All the wiring is in conduits, protects them a little bit, and every piece of equipment has its own breaker. Idea is that if that sandwich prep dies, it's not going to take out this one with it because they are in separate outlets, separate breakers. If you have any questions, or if you would like a similar food truck or food trailer built for yourself, please reach out to us through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.